Hello all, and welcome to my garage. In this session we will remove the transmission from my GTR R35 and dig in to repair a broken third gear. This is a long video and more a memory for myself. At the end of the video I do make a short test drive if you want to skip to there. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, I don't know. I should be happy. I guess I should be happy. It's not in a million pieces. That is the only evidence, apart from where it came from. There are no metal shards anywhere else. Five, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. What I'm looking for. Left, 1, 2, 3, and a few tiny pieces. I'll continue to look where the rest is. Ik wil niet vannacht weer mijn ex-verf niet, maar alleen het nog wat mooi terugkomt. Supposed to be satin, maar ja, nu kijk naar je riffeltjes niet. You haven't died yet. De riffeltjes moet al was beplant.
I chose the worst day to do a final parts run. This was 11 May when the skies opened and flooded the Western Cape.
break this hole from you, it would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living I've made up. I need to wake up. Holding my breath until you go. Anywhere that is far from you. You only wanted me to fail. Oh, I'm this way because of you. Fall every day to overcome despite you. Wake up. Wake up. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living I've made up. I need to wake up.
I thought I was recording while reinstalling the transmission, and I was not going to drop it again just for a video.
closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you don't let keep on my arms, I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
I am really happy that it all went relatively smooth and that the replacement gears have solved my issues. The new Bridgestone RE71 RS tires also feel great. Thank you for watching the shenanigans. Please like and subscribe.